Welcome back to another home tour, unscheduled tour, but I saw this one was open and I had to come see it, and I was walking through and I'm like, I don't have time for this because I got an appointment, but you guys need to see this house. So this is going to be a quick home tour. I'm going to go as fast as I can, but still show you all of the really cool details. So let's flip this around and get going. So we are in the lakes at Indian Springs. If you saw that other video, that other house is just around the corner. This one is absolutely stunning as well. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It is on 0.6 acres. So it is quite a large lot. Backs to the pond. This house is freaking massive. It is 5,000 square feet. You have this gorgeous 3-car garage. It's giving rustic luxury, kind of Castleton vibes. I love those sconces. I'm like breathing hard because I'm Russian. So really great, super tall. I like the peaks up there as well. Stacked stone. Let's head on in here. It was built in 2002. Here is that living room. You have a nice entryway here. A lot of crown molding throughout, which is great. You have your coat closet. Show you the other side. Gorgeous. And we'll turn around. Super tall ceilings. You do have the accent as well, which is awesome. Lots of natural light looking out to the pond, which we'll check that out in a second. But we're going to go right into the master suite here. You have barreled ceilings, accent for display right there. Gorgeous den area with this fireplace. Holy smokes. Gorgeous. We'll go around. This is the kind of private living area for the master bedroom. You have these gorgeous patio doors out to that backyard. You have a second fireplace in here. So that's 3 already because there's one in the living room as well. Love all of the plantation shutters, the archways. Here is that bathroom, dual vanities. Your toilet is over there. You have a nice kind of vanity drawer right there for your makeup is probably what it's going to be used for. You've got jets in the tub, plantation shutters again, and a very nice size shower with the bench as well. Absolutely massive closet, plantation shutter in here as well, but also the privacy of the trees because that is the front of the house. But great size closet. Let's head around. There's a lot more to see. Oh, pocket door. Forgot to show you that. So that's where we just came from in the master. Here is your formal dining. Love the almost coffered ceiling look with the really like substantial crown molding there is awesome. Love the natural light too. And then you have like a wet bar right here, which goes into your pantry. You have the bubble glass, which is cool. And we'll turn right around. It's kind of a pass through. So there's the living room you saw. And your massive kitchen. Love all of the storage space. Now, it's a little rustic, but like I said, I think it kind of works with this house. There's a couple things I would change, but like overall, it is gorgeous. You have plantation shutters. You have a little kitchen nook over there. Gas range. Double sink undermounted. This massive island right here is awesome. You do have room for bar stools as well. And I'm going to show you the backyard more towards the end because literally there's a whole other house up there. Just wait. Right here you have powder bath and then your utility room. And then through this door is kind of a wet room. So this goes to the front and then the garages are right there. And then in here is just some storage closet. But this is like another workroom / storage room as well. Tiled throughout, tiled in there. So nice, it can take a beating, especially if you're, cleaning, washing the dogs, all that kind of stuff. whatever you're gonna do. Because there is the sink right in that room there. Massive 3-car garage. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then that just goes inside, I believe. Look at all the storage out here. Perfect for prep space, working on something, projects. If you have kids that are homeschooled, this would make a great kind of Whoop, the wind caught the door there. This would make a great kind of schoolroom, but there's so much space upstairs too. This is storage all the way under the staircase. And then there's a sneak peek at the side yard here. Lots of space. But like I said, I am on a time crunch, so let's keep going. Show you the upstairs, and then we'll go outside. So up here, we've got plantation shutters all the way up, which is awesome. Lots of crown molding. I love this little landing for display. Now, we can go multiple ways here. You've got this way and that way. So we're gonna go this way first. You've got a second kitchen up here. Doesn't have a fridge, but you could easily put in like a mini fridge or something. But it does have the little wine fridge there. You got a sink, all your essentials. This is gonna be like the game room / movie room, second living. If you're one of those people that doesn't want a TV in your living room, this is where you'd put it. You've got this absolutely massive bedroom here. Let me back up into the corner so you can get the size. This is a bedroom. Love the storage right there. Lots of natural light. And then here's the bathroom that you might have glimpsed from the other side. And oh, this is really cool. Nice granite there. Great shower. More storage, toilet. Back into the game room. This over here is going to be just a closet. Storage. We'll head around. If I'm going kind of fast, like I said, sorry, I'm in a rush, but I will put a link to all of the photos in the description. Here is your hall bath there. Like I said, downstairs, this is one of the spaces upstairs that would be great for kids if you got homeschool or they just want to work on homework or whatever. Here would be a bedroom, could be a second office. Obviously it was a kid's room, but here's that closet, really good size. You have the built-ins there too, which is nice. Great picture window with the plantation shutters looking out to the fountain. If I was growing up in this house, I want that one. I want this room. Here, there's the bathroom. We already looked at that. And then, no, we didn't. Whoa, I missed something right there. There's two bathrooms here. So there's this bathroom, which is kind of it's private for this bedroom. And then there's also this bathroom, but it's kind of a Jack and Jill because it's open to this hallway here. But really the only person using it is the person using this bedroom, which also has the built-ins and the closet, which is great. Oh, whoa, wait. This is attic. Just kidding, just kidding. Great storage there though. This closet then was over here. You have a laundry chute right here, which is great. But you have two closets. Awesome, awesome. I also like how you can have some privacy. Like there's a door here that is solid, but then you have this one that's not. So you really don't need this door, but yet because this closet is really for that room, I see why the door is here. And then right here is just some more storage as well. Okay, now I have to check out the backyard. If you're new here, on my way downstairs, my name's Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team, serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities. So if you like home tours like this, make sure to like and subscribe. But I also share local content, places to go and see, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in that, make sure to like and subscribe. But here we are, downstairs. Let's check it out. Okay. And great pergola with the fireplace. And check it out. Look at this pond view. Now, if you want to go outside of your yard, you can go over and sit at the pergola there. That's just part of the neighborhood community amenities. There's walking trails out here. They have dog cleanup stations and a few other things, but I'll list all that in the description. But great yard here. I love all of the plantings. You have a full covered patio right there, which is awesome. And then here's the side yard over here that you saw a second ago out the window from the utility room. And you do have that really cool, whimsical round gate right there. And there's a squirrel trying to escape. He's freaking out, but gorgeous. Let me know, what do you think about this house in the comments? I think it's pretty great. I mean, yes, I can see where it's a little bit dated in places, but honestly, overall, it's really not that bad. And you have the pond lot and you're in the lakes, which is such a great neighborhood in the Broken Arrow community. So if you're interested in this home, obviously reach out to me. I'll put a link to all of the information in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.